The secret to passive income you may have missed. The dream is to sit on the beach while the money rolls into your bank accounts. You no longer have a job or even need a job. The days of crappy bosses are over. You know that no matter what, money will land in your bank account every month and you'll never have to worry again. Except, that's just the dream. What's the reality? First, most passive income is going to take a little work to maintain. Unless you're getting dividends from a multi-million-dollar stock portfolio or you're a trust fund baby. You'll need to do some stuff to make sure that money keeps rolling in each month. Second, spending all of your time partying and no time accomplishing anything gets really old really fast. I've known who made 7 figures and thought they would party the rest of their lives found out that never-ending partying with never-ending hangovers gets old, fast. Then again, if that really is your dream, then more power to you. But here's the secret to passive income that most people miss entirely. In order to get passive income, that is income that comes to you without further work, you first need to work. If you go to a job where you get paid $20 an hour, after a week you get a check for $800. But when you're building a passive income, you might work weeks or months before you start seeing returns. There is no passive income free ride. Instead, passive income comes after you do the work. I see so many newbies who think passive income means getting rich quickly. And nothing could be further from the truth. You've got to do some serious work first. When you change your mindset from get rich quick to do the work now, get paid for a long time later, it becomes much easier to set a goal and then put in the time each day to get closer and closer to that goal. That's why the first step to passive income is action. First key takeaway, passive income requires work upfront. But let me tell you something. It is not uncommon for people to want to create a passive income stream in order to have financial security and freedom. There are many ways to achieve passive income, including investing in rental properties, starting a dropshipping business, or creating and selling an online course. However, one method that may be overlooked is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission when a sale is made through a referral link. It can be a great way to generate passive income because it requires minimal upfront investment and can be done on a flexible schedule. By consistently promoting high-quality products and building a reputable brand, it is possible to create a steady stream of passive income through affiliate marketing. To get started with affiliate marketing, it is important to research and select a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. From there, you can find relevant products to promote and start building your affiliate marketing business. It may take time and effort to see results. But with the right strategies and persistence, it is possible to create a successful and passive income generating affiliate marketing business. We have free training available to start generating passive income with affiliate marketing. Click the link below and start today.